Using recycled plastic bottles for drip irrigation is a wonderful way to save water and keep your garden healthy. These simple methods deliver moisture directly to the soil, ensuring your plants stay hydrated without any waste. To set up the first method, you start by preparing the bottle while it is empty. You take your sharp tool and cut about 90% around the bottom of the plastic bottle. It is very important to leave that last 10% completely uncut so the plastic piece stays attached. This creates a handy hinged flap at the bottom that you can easily flip open and close like a lid. Next, you take off the regular plastic bottle cap and screw the long, pointed watering spike tightly onto the threaded bottle opening. Once the spike is securely attached, you turn the entire bottle upside down so the spike faces the ground. You then push the spike deep into the soil right next to your plant, making sure it stands up straight and steady. After the bottle is secure in the ground, you flip open the plastic flap at the top, pour in your water until the bottle is full, and close the lid back down. Finally, you adjust the water flow by turning the small valve on the side of the spike. You can turn it back and forth until you get the perfect slow drip speed that matches exactly what your plant needs. To set up the second method, you begin with a completely different process that does not require any special spikes. For this approach, you start by filling the plastic bottle with water first while it is still fully intact. Once the bottle is completely full of water, you take a clean needle from a medical syringe and carefully push the sharp end through the plastic sidewall near the very bottom of the bottle. The needle will stay stuck right in the plastic. To make this system work even better, you place a sturdy brick on the ground near the plant roots and set the bottle on top of it. Keeping the bottle a little high on the brick is a great trick because it increases the gravity and water pressure inside the container. This extra pressure helps the water push through the incredibly tiny hole of the needle smoothly and keeps it from getting stuck. The water will then slow release drop by drop from the needle hub directly onto the soil below, keeping the root zone perfectly moist. Both of these DIY systems are wonderful for hot weather when plants need constant moisture to survive. The first method gives you a lot of control over the water speed because of the built-in valve, and the flip-top lid makes it incredibly quick and clean to refill with a watering can. The second method is fantastic because it costs almost nothing and uses basic items you already have lying around the house. They both do a great job of delivering water slowly and deeply right where the roots need it most, helping your garden thrive while saving every single drop.